Today, I'm going to teach you how to make Hungarian bread. This delicious homemade bread, perfect for breakfast. It's quick and easy, soft and fluffy, and melts in your mouth. Your family will love this recipe. Let's start by adding 250 ml of warm water to the bowl. Next, add 250 milliliters of warm milk and 5 tablespoons of sugar. Once done, mix everything well until dissolved. Add 7 tablespoons of oil, 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 10-gram packets of dry yeast. Then, mix everything well until combined. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Now let's add 1 kilogram of wheat flour. Gradually add the wheat flour and mix. Once this is done, transfer the dough to the table. Next, add a little wheat flour. Next, knead this dough for 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and homogeneous. If the dough needs more flour, add it gradually and continue kneading. Once you reach this point, add the dough to the wheat ball. Cover with a cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. In another bowl, add 200 grams of shredded coconut, 3 tablespoons of butter, and 1 cup of sugar. Mix everything well until combined. This is the ideal point. Now set aside. Our dough has doubled in size. Squeeze the air out of the dough, place it on the table, and divide it into 2 parts. And if you're enjoying our recipes, leave a comment below about the city or country you're watching from. I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. Now take one of the pieces and add a little flour to the table with a rolling pin. Let's roll out the dough like this. This is the ideal point. Now spread the coconut filling over the entire dough. Now roll the dough like you see in the video. And here you roll and press. Once you reach this point, you'll measure 2 fingers and cut the dough into slices. And it will look like this. Now take each piece and place it in a lightly oiled pan. Then cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. And look, the time has passed, and look how the Hungarian rolls have risen. Now you'll brush the top with an egg yolk. Then you'll bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 40 minutes. Keep an eye on them, as the baking time varies from oven to oven. And our recipe is ready. Look how perfect they turned out. To finish, add condensed milk on top. Then sprinkle grated coconut on top. And look how wonderful they turned out. You can now make a coffee and serve. And if you've made it this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10. What would you rate this recipe? I really hope you enjoyed it. Now I'm leaving here. A big hug and see you in the next recipe.